Be watchful, stand firm in the faith, act like men, be strong. 1 Corinthians 16 verse 13. Hey fam bam, it's me, Juslonda. Have you subscribed? Have you joined the fam? Join the madness, join the fun. It's me, Juslonda. Can we talk that talk?
This right here, everybody has. This right here, nobody has. Exotic is something. I got the
Ain't nobody got this though.
Everybody got
Nobody
bluffy.
got this. And exotic got the smash mug, not the long snout.
Long snout. How you figure? Less than two fingers.
snout.
He can breathe.
Compared to the rest
Wait. You got a tail? You got a tail? You got a tail? Oh shit.
Go high rear though.
This ain't high rear.
Stand
You
them up.
crazy?
Stand that
You
dog up.
standing
Stop
up.
pulling that rear back.
I'm putting on rear,
Pulling
baby.
that
Come
rear
on.
back.
Let's do a side shot.
Pulling that rear
Side shot.
back.
Let's do a side shot.
You know what I'm
Let's do
saying?
a
Talking
side
all
shot.
that shit.
Let's do a side shot.
Pull him to the side.
Let's go. Side shot.
Put that motherfucker to the side, bro.
Waiting for.
Let's see that shit. Fuck
Hold on,
the judge saying you talking that shit.
I'm gonna
Fuck
talk
what
that
the judge
shit.
saying you talking that shit. Let's see that shit. Let's see that shit. She got that chihuahua face. That shit ain't got a bully face. She got a chihuahua face.
Alright, Buttercup, buckle up. This is gonna be short and sweet. I thought this was so flippin' cute. So I'm scrolling on Instagram and I come across this video and I was like, I got to see this video. Like, I got to see the actual video. So I go on TikTok to find the actual video. Let me tell you something. Men are competitive no matter what it is. Say it again, Londa. Say it again, Londa. Men are competitive no matter what it is. Come on.
That's what it is. I don't give a fuck. Why? Because it's exotic. This right here, everybody has. This right here, nobody has. Exotic.
What? What is that? What is that? Let me rewind it back. Now look at these dogs and then look at the one that nobody else has.
It is what it is. I don't give a fuck. Why? Because it's exotic. This right here, everybody has. This right here, nobody has. Exotic is something. I got the
Ain't nobody got this though.
Do you see the look in his eyes? He look like he is lying. But just let's keep it going.
Everybody got bluffy.
Nobody got this. And exotic got the smash mug, not the long snout.
Long snout. How you figure? Less than two fingers.
snout.
He can breathe.
Compared to the rest
Wait. You got a tail? You got a tail? You got a tail? Oh shit.
You got a
Go
tail?
high rear though.
This ain't high rear.
Stand them
You
up.
crazy?
Stand that
You
dog up. Stop
standing
pulling
up.
that rear back.
I'm putting on rear,
Pulling
baby.
that
Come
rear
on.
back.
Let's do a side.
That dog looked half dog and half lion. That dog looked half dog, half lion. But he is gangster about it. They are being competitive. He is like, no, nobody has this dog. Nobody has it.
Side shot. Let's do a side shot. Let's do a side shot.
Let's do a side shot. Let's do a side shot.
Pull him to the side.
Let's go.
Give him the
shot.
side profile.
That motherfucker to the side, bro.
Waiting for.
Let's see that
Look
shit.
at him.
Fuck
Look at him.
what the judge
Look at him.
saying you talking that shit.
I'm gonna
Fuck
talk
what
that
the judge
shit.
saying you talking that shit. Let's see that shit. Let's see that shit.
Woo! Okay, nature boy Ric Flair. Woo! Woo! Men are competitive no matter what it is that they put themselves in. That's just men by nature. I love it. I love it.
She got that chihuahua face. That shit ain't got a bully face.
My man said that's a Chihuahua mix.
She got got Chihuahua face. That's a fluffy Chihuahua, nigga.
It is.
Fuck out of here.
It is.
He said it's a fluffy chihuahua.
Get
Talking that shit.
Get that fake. Look at that
You know what
Ringo.
I'm saying?
Oh, shit.
Talking that
Come on, baby.
shit.
Long ass bus. Get that fucking bus out of here. Get that bus out of here, baby. Come on, man. Get that bus out of here.
Your dog's scared, fam. Your dog is scared.
Man, be scared. He's
dog
still,
is scared,
he's still more
man.
exotic than yours, though.
You wish.
He's still more exotic than
Long
yours.
hair don't
though.
make it exotic, bro. That's the
He said, but he is more exotic. Dog is scared. He's more exotic than yours. He is more exotic than yours. The dog is scared.
chow chow.
What it makes
That's
it
a
then?
chow chow.
What it makes it then?
That's a chow
What it makes
chow.
it then? Do you have it?
That's
No.
a hairy
Do you
mutt.
have
Show
it?
the pedigree.
Do you have it?
Show the pedigree.
Ant-Man, baby.
Ain't no fucking
Ant-Man.
fluffy
Ant-Man,
billies,
baby.
I mean, the aggression and the passion. Do you see the veins that's coming out? Sir.
Ant-Man all day.
Yeah, show the
Ant-Man all
pedigree.
day.
Show the
I can
pedigree.
show the
Show the
pedigree.
bloodline.
I show
There's
the
somewhere down the
Ant-Man.
line. There's some fucking fluffy down there.
Fake, baby.
Ain't no babe. Ain't nothing babe look like that. Nothing like babe look like that, bro. Nothing like babe look like that.
I know what I did. I know what
Hey,
I
it
did.
don't look like it.
It don't have to look like it. Don't
You know what
worry.
I'm saying?
Get ready for what's coming, though. Get ready for what's coming.
Oh, I'm
Get
ready.
ready.
We
Get
waiting.
ready.
We
baby.
waiting.
Get ready.
It won't be no long snout shit.
This ain't
That
what's
look like
now.
a fucking
What's now? What's
Yorkie.
now?
That shit Yorkie. That shit more Yorkie.
They all talking about the dog's snout. They are talking about the dog's snout.
Get them bullies.
Let's see who can run and come back without
This
breathing.
shit more Yorkie than
Let's see
bullies.
who can run and come back.
You know what I'm saying?
Let's see who can
My
run
dog
and come
fully
back.
functional.
He's functional as fuck.
You know what I'm saying? None of
Fully
that
functional.
bullshit.
That's good, baby. Get that clout off of Bluffy. Get that clout off of the
I don't
Bluffy,
need
my
clout.
dog.
I don't need
Yeah.
clout.
Sure.
I don't need
Sure.
clout. Real bulls
Sure,
back
sure.
in style.
I
And
don't
that ain't
give
no
a fuck.
fucking bull.
Yeah.
That ain't no fucking
Yeah,
bull.
yeah.
That ain't no bull. That ain't no bull. We call it a half chihuahua.
Hell yeah, it ain't no bull, baby.
Fuck
You got more
outta
front
here.
than yours.
That shit
Fuck
mutt.
out of here. Hell yeah. Let it be a mutt. Let it be a mutt. This is
He said, let it be a mod. Let it be a mod. But you know what? This mod is in this competition and it's going to win.
the new mutt. This is the new wave. Look at that front.
I said, this is
Come on,
the new
baby.
wave.
Look at that front. I see cameras on this. What about that? Fuck out of here. Get that shit off the table. Fuck out of here.
They looking at that shit because they don't know what the fuck it is. That's why.
They're looking at like,
They're looking at it because they don't know what it is.
They don't know what it is, bro.
this is the
They
new
don't
wave.
know what it is.
Trust me.
They don't know what it is.
Trust me when I tell you. The new wave.
Oh my god, that is so fun. Let me tell you, men will be men no matter what. The fact that this is a mere fact that this is a dog competition and they are so aggressive and they are so in the way they are. Sir, what kind of dog is that? I get it, it's the new wave, but what kind of dog is that? Because the dog look very lioness. I just wanted to share that with you because I know a lot of my content has been a little heavy. And I just wanted to get a little laughter in. So tell me, what kind of dog is that? What kind of dog is that? What kind of dog is that? So on that note, fam bam, thanks for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz that make me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. Bye. And if you missed any of my talks, just click right here. And you know, you can just subscribe right here.